Component Part 6 is located in the Dysunny Valley in South Gwynedd and is the most southerly area of the property. It is a linear component part spanning 13 kilometres, comprising the source of the Slate, Bryneglwys Quarry, its surface landform and underground workings. The community that housed the workforce, the village of Abergynolwyn, and the transport route, the Talyllyn Railway to Towyn on Cardigan Bay, which enabled export to worldwide markets. This component part demonstrates the transfer of knowledge, technology and people from other areas within the property, and also the inward investment of wealth from a major English industry, Lancashire cotton, which created the cultural landscape we see today. It is the place where industrial heritage conservation by volunteers began, with the revival of the Talyllyn Railway in 1951 under the Talyllyn Railway Preservation Society. Bryneglwys Quarry is situated in a shallow valley, 2 kilometres southeast of Abergynolwyn village, and was first opened in the 1840s, though its boom years came 20 years later. Here, both slate slabs and roofing slates were produced, from 2 veins of Ordovician slate. The most prominent visible surviving feature of the quarry is the bastion for a chain incline ropeway system, and the pits for the water wheels which powered it. This was a technology brought to the quarry by men from Component Part 3, the Talyllyn Valley. Once the shallow surface open pits had reached a certain depth, the narrow slate vein had to be worked underground. Several of the 7 floors in the workings are accessible and contain rails, wagons and winches. These floors connected with the open pit, from which the chain incline system raised blocks and slate rubble. Much of the underground workings lies above the drainage level and are accessible to specialists. Machinery and wagons are preserved, but so are graffiti and personal items such as shoes and cigarette papers. The village of Abergynolwyn was developed following the lease of the quarry by the McConnell brothers, Lancashire cotton spinners. Many of the houses are built to a design by Manchester architect James Stephen, a little piece of Lancashire in rural Wales. Today, a photo archive in the village hall and a new village website showcase the village's rich history. Spoken and written memories from current and former village inhabitants are also being collected.
Mae 71 o dau llechi sy'n dal I sefyll yn dangos mae'r chwarel adeiladodd Abergynolwyn. Roedd rheilffordd fach y chwarel yn cyrchu llechi I Dowyn, ond hefyd yn dŵad â wageni glo a nwyddau o Dowyn I lawr yr incline i'r pentre. Mae'r llwybr yn dal i'w gweld hyd heddiw. Mae gennym ni lawer o hen ffotograffiau wedi ei gwneud yn ddigidol, ac rydym yn dal I hel straeon ag atgofion.
Dyna Abergynolwyn yn glos, a phawb yn edrych ar ôl ei gilydd, o ddydd I ddydd ac ar ardegau o argyfwng. Pan chwalodd argau y chwarel uwchben y pentref, fe gludwyd pawb a oedd yn orweddog yn ddiogel I dir uwchben y capel Wesle. Yn ystod eira mawr 1947, fe gerddodd y dynion y 7 milltir y dywyn I mofyn am flawd mwyn I bobl y pentre gael pobi bara yn y ffwrn gymunedol yn siop Natal.
The Talyllyn Railway, completed in 1866, joins Bryneglwys Quarry and the village of Abergynolwyn to Towyn, and served both the quarry and public. Though Towyn is next to the sea, the railway was built to connect with the national railway network for the onward transport of slate, and was the first to do so in northwest Wales. It continued to run until 1950, when it was threatened with closure due to the death of its owner. A band of enthusiasts formed the Talyllyn Railway Preservation Society, and they took over running the line in 1951. They have been operating it ever since. It is the world's first preserved railway.
The Talyllyn today is a thriving tourism business welcoming around 50,000 passengers each year. We support around 20 local jobs and have an active volunteer workforce of nearly 500 who give up their time to run and operate the railway. Our ambition is to further tell the Talyllyn story and how it, and the local area it served, owes its rich history to the slate industry. We have an ongoing Heritage Lottery Fund application submitted to further tell that story, constructing new buildings to house our artefacts and give public access to unique places that aren't currently seen.
The Narrow Gauge Railway Museum has gathered a fascinating collection of locomotives, rolling stock and other artefacts, many of which relate to the Slate Railways of Wales. It is also home to a recreation of the study of the Reverend W. Awdry, author of the world-renowned Thomas the Tank Engine stories, and is visited by thousands of people every year.
The Skarloey Railway in the fictional children's book and television series Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends is based on the Talyllyn, where its author, the Reverend Wilbert Awdry, was a volunteer guard. The stories were popular worldwide, available in many European and Asian languages, and Arabic over the past 75 years.